Break, 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 break up, break up. How about that? How about that audio? It's a little bit of modulation. Let's just whisper into it. Let me just whisper. Yeah, let me just whisper right in it. No, let me whisper. I'll get right on there. Hit that limiter, boy, howdy. I'll get right up on there. Just talk live. Let's just talk right now. Channel 38. Break, break, break. It still has some issues. It's crackling and popping. Popping. But anyways, yeah, the little two Cobras right there. I like that. How they lean like that. That's cool. Looks like a 2000 GTL almost, but it got round meters like the old KM89. Man, I can't really see the cam right now. It's not powered in, not powered up. Yeah, that's got the blue lights. Probably back with that one. Boom. Got blue lights in there, but kind of hard to tell with this lighting. Yeah, potato quality camera. In person, you can actually see that and read it. Yeah. Anyway. Alright. Break, break, hello, breaker, breaker.
351, you too, man. Sounding good, coast to coast, 317.
Channel 28 AM. This is my 142 GTL right here. Got a little flicker scanner that'll be going in there. Receiver's way out of whack. It needs to be aligned. I like the look of that right there over the wood grain. It's got the silver case, but can't really tell. Not too shiny. Wow. Break, break, break. Channel 28. Break up, Mr. Leapfrog with the wave. Going this Videogate right here. Gonna be on YouTube. Alright. See, this receiver's not selective at all. I can normally hear the people, but they're cutting in and out, doesn't know who to pick up. Squelch is all the way off. My game's halfway. RF game. Crank to the max, maybe a little less. Little boy blue, blah blah blah. Mr. Little Boy Blue, he's hollering out at that man again, and I hear that man all the time hollering out. Nothing against him or anything. I just simply don't care. I just want to say blah blah blah. That's all there is to it. I can't even see that. It says realistic. Maybe I have a solution to all this. Hold on. See, that work? No. No. Shout out to my brothers. Don't remember that. A long time ago. Bottle of liquor right there. That's that cracking, man. That's some decent little bit of alcohol right there. Old Cam 89. Sorry about the lighting, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Wake up, break up. Alright. It's got some issues with the glue in a few spots, but I'm gonna have to worry about that later. Yeah, they really should have come out with this model like this with these knobs and white lights. I like it. This is a white LED right here. But yeah, got a little bit of customization to it. There's no channels or anything else, but yeah, that white LED, man. Woof, boy howdy, that's a real bright light, my friend. No lens in there right now. No lens, it's just LEDs. You got white in there for the receive and transmit. Break up, Mr. Leapfrog 469 with the wave. Oh yeah, we talking right here out of the sand pile. Break. Hey, Charlie Horse, how's it going, my man?
It's going, big guy. Just another day. Letting it take its course. That's about it, man. That's about it.
Oh, right on. Yeah, man, I'm rolling this Videogate here. Just gonna put her up on YouTube. Just wanted to get a shout out to you and say hi to anybody else around the band there. Got this Cobra 142 GTL, old Turner Super Sidekick microphone. Just seeing what she sounds like on the air.
Sounds awesome. Sounds excellent. The audio's just fucking peaking, man. It's packing it.
10-4 Roger on that, my friend. Yeah, we appreciate that. Beautiful weather today, and yeah, I wish a good evening to you and yours. 73s around the band and all that, and but also, man, just God bless. I heard what happened there about the man's mom, and condolences.
We've gone through. Knew the family very well. They were my next door neighbor. So, can't get any closer than that.
Man, yeah, God bless. It really makes me stop and think about how limited our time is. Sometimes I take things for granted, and those are the things that really make me stop and think back about all the people that I've lost, and how it's affected me and everybody else throughout my life, and it's just, I'm sad for you, man.
Hey, brother, you right. No, I do. I'm gonna top of the mail here for a little bit, and gonna have me a cigarette here, so something good around the hood. We're standing by, big
10-4 there. 10-4, Mr. Coolbreeze. Appreciate the audio check there, sir. Thank you very much, and I'll be back here on the side. Yeah, first time I actually plugged this thing in. It's another Craigslist deal, and young guy, and ended up being a good deal. So I still got faith in people in the hobby for sure, no doubt. All right, my man. Thank you. Good bunch of guys here. Channel 28 AM local to me anyway, about 30 miles north of Tampa Bay. Yes, sir. Give it a little bit, one more minute here, and I'll do one more radio check on this channel here, and I'm gonna be the end of this video. This is just part one. I'm gonna go ahead and go through this radio and do the covers and redo it a little bit, make it a little nicer. But yeah. Hopefully the audio in this video will come out halfway decent. Really don't know what to say on that. Excuse that. Not bad manners, just good food. Man, this camera is a real potato, for real. Alright, breaker, I'm going to try this one more time. Mr. Leapfrog 469 with the wave.
Hey, Charlie Brown, somebody's out there yelling for you, dude. So if there's any consolation, get on that mic.
Alright, Charlie Brown. Alright, hey Charlie Brown, Mr. Leapfrog 469 with the wave. Mr. Leapfrog 469 rolling this here Videogate. Gonna be on YouTube. Just want to do a shout out, a little audio check. The Cobra 148 GTL Craigslist special. Well, I hope he heard me. Damn. Yeah, that's Leapfrog 469 with the wave. This is the Cobra 142 GTL Craigslist special. I just wanted to give a shout out, rolling a little Videogate here and an audio check.
Leapfrog, I hear you, barely. You're in the mud, but I definitely hear you, no doubt about it. Hey, man, I don't know if you can hear me out there, but I just want to leave a friendly talk to you there, man. Nobody but Mudflap, Idaho. Mudflap? Oh, Mudflap, Idaho. Oh, man. He's out there in Idaho. I don't even know if I can make it that far. Yeah, I know. It can be rough and tough at times to get back to Idaho. I know what you're saying there.
I think that's 15 minutes, guys. That's all YouTube can let me have. I'll have to try to edit it.
Hey, Mudflap out there in Idaho. You got a copy on Coolbreeze out here in Florida. He's a breaker.
And this radio's off frequency, too.
It must be broke. But, 1
That's the Ghosttalker.
Oh, good evening, Donnie. Good evening,
There you go, Stalker. Mr. Leapfrog 469 here with the wave. Can you get a copy on me?
Oh, man, I gotta try to get some more audio out of this radio mine. Damn it to hell.
This thing's way off frequency, I know it. Alright, guys, I guess this thing must be off frequency. I gotta check it out. I'll get back to you on that, but I'll be over and out here. Take a good evening, 73s. Alright, take care.
Oh, I got Harvey. Alrighty, take care, man. They call me Coolbreeze. Running Newport Richie, Florida here. We're listening. Sending by copy in the mail.
He's got good audio, guys. I don't know how it's gonna come out in the video.
Hi, Coolbreeze. Donnie. Ghosttalker.
Yeah.
Parker, you all have a fine night. I'm pulling the plug. We'll catch you all later. Alright, sweetie, we'll get you later there. I have to get up for work. Okay, catch you tomorrow night. Oh, 153, Hey, 420, you got a copy on this radio, 420.
Oh, that's been good, huh? Man, you guys got great audio, man. I don't know how the video is going to come out, but I'll send you a link. You guys can check it out. All right, Leapfrog out of here. 469 with the wave.
Damn it. Please up in there. I just want to wave a friendly 5 feet. You know we heard you up here in Idaho. Hey, 420 Mud Crab, South Idaho. Good point one to you. Good evening to you.
Who's he talking to? Come on, let me know.
Hey, did someone tell you he was down sore?
Donnie right there,
You
Donnie.
know, you made me
Sounds kind of drunk.
Oh, yeah, man.
That's Coolbreeze right there.
153.
Yeah, 119 goes to coast. I wonder who heard me out
Oh,
there.
man, there's 19. That is sick.
All right, guys, that's it. Catch you later.